Promptless is an AI teammate that automatically drafts updates to your customer-facing docs, like your tutorials, how-to guides, release notes, and knowledge bases. So it listens to trigger events like pull requests, solve support tickets, and Slack messages, and so it can proactively determine when newer updated docs are needed. It can pull additional context from your most relevant sources like Jira and Linear, and it works with whatever CMS you use, so you don't need to change any of your existing tools to use Promptless. So let's dive into an example. So this morning, I built a new feature that allows users to automatically run Promptless on recent pull requests when they get set up. Now, this is like super useful for onboarding, so I want to make sure that it's documented really well. And I can see here that Promptless, just using the title of the pull request and the actual diff of our code, has detected their documentation updates that are warranted. And let's take a look at it. So I could see that Promptless recommended updates to a few relevant docs, and also ended up suggesting that we create a changelog entry for June. The updates include things that are very specific based on the code that was in the pull request, and it includes updates in my getting started guide as well as our guides for specific integrations with Bitbucket, GitHub, etc. So that's fantastic. I can go in and make edits directly if I want, unless I want to change X to N here, and I can also ask Promptless to make edits itself just by giving a follow-up prompt over here. And yeah, once I'm happy, I can go ahead and click Save All and Open Pull Request, confirm the description, and then publish that documentation update. So my docs are hosted on GitHub using Docusaurus, but Promptless can integrate with any doc CMS, whether you use a Git-based CMS like Mintlify, README, or Gitbook, or a web-based CMS like Intercom, Zendesk, or Webflow. Once the documentation update or once the pull request has been created, I can even request follow-up changes by tagging at Promptless in a comment, or I can go ahead and just publish it right away. So I can also update Promptless straight from Slack. So just to give an example, I can, a few days ago, I asked Promptless to be able to update our Getting Started page, noting that there was an image that was out of date. And Promptless, I just tagged Promptless, gave it the image, and it was able to create a suggestion for me, which included both a text change, where it's observed that that a feature has been added, as well as adding the actual image to the documentation as well. But yeah, that's Promptless. Try it out and get free access to a trial at gopromptless.ai.